Cheruiyot, 60,342. Let's get the certificate first. Congratulations. Congratulations, madam. Eric,
members of the fourth state, before I make my few observations or my few comments, I have with me two important people to me, and I would like us first of all to get just a word from my lovely wife that we probably done. She's taken time praying for this campaign, fasting for all of us. I remember I could get home late in the night, Sasita, and she was going to need prayer.
I'm so humble and honored. I thank God so much for this lovely husband. When we saw the sons of Jesse, many of them, some came, and because of human heart, some will say, I have seen a man of a good stature, a well-built man, but God told him this is not the right person. Others went and went. Later on, Samuel told Jesse, what about your other son? There's just a boy in the field.
Turned out in their large numbers to exercise their democratic rights in this nomination, which was far much organized, and it was more of a general election. We went through this process, and I want to thank you so much for having faith in me. I look back to the many years that I came from that tiny village called Chebaga, somewhere in the woods there. And as a young boy, I never conceptualized in my mind that a day will come like this when I will be the governor of Kericho County. Looking back to these struggles from this very poor background, from this home which constantly lacked